Oh, fucking A, bro.
Gotta follow that. Keep your driver's tire on that stump over there.
I don't know. That's a tire eater hole right there.
Articulation and lock right there. Got a big drop.
Right on the shackle.
No, you're hung up there.
Just a different line.
On the rock.
Put the dip on the rock, yeah. Roll back down.
Say hi, Mikey.
No, hi. Holy crap.
That's a big hole.
I don't know how he's going to get
It's
through
going to be
that.
some zigzagging to get done, I think.
Holy
I think he's going to come up on the...
Got to get the driver's side up on those tires. And then he's going to have to come across to you guys.
Yeah.
He won't be able to go down that hole.
Oh, he's going to have to come up and across this way. Yeah.
Straight. Little passenger. Yeah. Back up a little, driver.
Driver?
Okay, turn passenger.
I like to pick up a little driver.
Yeah.
A little more. There you go. Stay that way. Kick. Start straighten out.
Now you should start turning over this way
Through, we
soon.
gotta get the JK through.
Got to clear that. Passenger tire on that rock and then come across these two big ones. You
Yeah.
want to stay all the way up against that log.
Just like that.
Probably going to have to stay up against the log there. You know?
Yeah, so you're gonna crawl up maybe a little bit with the right, but just keep coming. You'll pop right up it. There you go.
3 wheels.
Keep it running.
Get the heck out of the way.
That's one thing.
If he wouldn't have stalled it, I think he would have had it.
Yeah, he was going.
He's hard into the rock with the back tire there,
God,
too, eh?
Yeah. He
Right
is.
on the sidewall.
That's the worst right there.
Got puncture a sidewall.
He's pretty hard in his tire here. Yeah, he kicked the rock up over here. Yeah,
He's
hard.
he's right against the rim.
Give it some passenger and forward. There you go.
Has he got the locker in on the front?
He's only got, is he a locker in the front?
Does he have a front locker in that? No. Okay.
That would be why.
This is the line you need. This is the line you need too.
He's got a winch? No, he's got a winch.
He's going to have to, I think.
Well, he's